that, Madam Chair, I'm a serious Kenyan. I had to do this, and I have done this. Those who don't know, I'm defined by Bayaya, Baala, Banyangali, and Watachoni clans. That definition, those sub-tribes cannot allow me to be bought, cannot allow me to be subverted. That is why we are here. It's because I'm serious, and I will die for the farmers of Kenya. The Honorable Minister has dragging me in dragging strangers in the name of my alleged affairs, which cannot negate the fact that innocent Kenyans are suffering. I would want to understand, by you saying that so and so is Jack's wife, is the honorable member's wife, how does that relate to the suffering of Kenyans? How does that relate? And if indeed honorable chair of Justice Committee is fair, is only seeing one side when we speak, why should the minister bring no, I'm reacting. It is in his submissions.
I don't want this committee to be turned, this investigation to be turned into love affair investigation. Please limit yourself to your motion. Yes, Honorable Chair, but it must be noted and be on record that in his submissions. Yeah, point of order by Honorable Rachel, Dr.
Chair, I did not intend to interfere with statements that the Honorable Wamboka is making, but I would like to raise a matter on standing order 77 concerning the language that we use. And 77 says, all proceedings in the House shall be conducted in Kiswahili, English, or in Kenyan Sign Language. Twice, Honorable Chair, the Honorable Wamboka has mentioned words in a language that we did not understand, and I thought that he was going to translate so that we can understand. This may make us miss some of the information that you would like to tell us. So is it in order for him to use that language, which I'm not able to tell which language it is, because we are not able to understand that particular portion?
I'm sorry, Madam Chair. What I meant is I would wish that my ears become my sitting apparatus so that I cannot hear all this. That's what I meant. But well guided. Madam Chair, I've got one wife, which is public knowledge. This is not a forum to bequeath me with imaginary wives. And in any case, does it matter? I'm on this Honorable Chair because he brought it. If you look at his submissions, it's there.
Point of order, Chair. Point of order by Honorable Chair. I believe it is very important that if you make a ruling, the Honorable Member understands that you are directing him on what to confine himself on. And Honorable Chair, if someone disregards that ruling, then you should be able to also call them out of order.
Well guided. Well guided. Well guided. But just to note, this is not a divorce case. Madam Chair, we are discussing the conduct of Honorable Mithika Litu, that we want him removed from the office. Out of this world, I was just imagining, when he was being interrogated to be minister, he said he has in excess of 30 cases in court. We are all Kenyans, members of parliament. Why him? Why him? Why him? We are speaking. We have a saying in the Luya land. The hyena told the stone. You remember the case of J.M. Kariuki when they were investigating his death. Mwangale told his house. It's a house of records. The hyena told the stone that even if you keep quiet, you've heard me. Honorable Mithika Linturi, even if through the chair, even if you keep quiet, you've heard the cries of the Kenyan people.